You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey there, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited? Yes, we're always excited to get new toys. It's the best part of this job. I get to play with the toys, play with the games, except when they come in boxes that are sealed. We have to sell it, so it's better to sell it all original, not opened and touched. But this is from Mattel. It's number B3361. Look at the characters in there. I'd love to sit there and play with Patrick and SpongeBob. This is the game you're actually playing. Look at that. It's from 2003. There's some information on it. It says they're having a luau in Bikini Bottom, and SpongeBob and all his friends want to go. Unfortunately, there's not enough party gear for everybody, and what's left is scattered around Bikini Bottom. That sounds like a treasure hunt. And look, the contents. So if you need the game contents, there you go. Maybe you found this at a garage sale or something and there's no box and no instructions. Well, this will help you. Look at the cool pictures. Wow. Pretty neat. So there you go. Not much more I can do now except show you the cool box and not be able to play it. Boring, I know. But still, it looks like a cool game. And it's SpongeBob. You gotta love it.
Thanks for watching our eBay product video. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.